Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I have another package in from Fat Quarter Shop. It has been a super busy spring and I cannot wait to dive in and see what we got. Okay guys, I'm always guessing. I think this is probably one of my monthly Fat Quarter bundles. I subscribe to several from Fat Quarter Shop. I really like getting them and they help build up my stash. So they always come in these little easy bags. Oh, look. How pretty is that, you guys? It's the Lori Holt February 2025 Fat Quarter Bundle. So everything is red and pink and perfect. And I know I have some of these out of her most recent collection, but it looks like some out of the old one as well. So let's take a peek and see what we got. All right, so I'll slide us into our little overhead so we can have a little bit better shot. If you ever have fabrics in my unboxings that you can't see in detail as much as you would like, I always add in close-ups at the end. So you can always check at that and see if it's a better image for you. So these are, I know I just got some of this and this tea rose in a different bundle. What do I feel like? I feel like that was part of maybe the February Sew Sampler as well. Super cute. I love these because it really does. It helps me fill up my my Lori bins that I kind of keep stocked with everything. So here we've got a really great, I don't know that I've seen this one before. Let me open that all the way up. The only bad thing with these fat quarters, guys, is sometimes you don't get the selvage, so you have to look up the individual numbers, but they do list everything on here. So if you want to see what unit or what collection, goodness guys, I'm tongue tied, what collection it comes out of, you can always look it up that way. So we have this great crisscross X's patterns. Now this is almost a little bit more pinkish. It reminds me of the background that I'm using on the February Sew Sampler as well. I'm kind of worried about my coffee. I'm going to get fabric in it. And then we've got this great kind of cross stitch pattern or hand stitch pattern, mostly alphabet. Looks like a little bit of that kind of mauvey pinkish background, not quite as pure white or as brown as some of her other ones, like Mercantile maybe. And then some nice blush. It almost matches my shirt, you guys. I dressed for the occasion, I guess. Oh, what cute little daisies. So simple, but so sweet. And then we also have this great stripe. It would be one of those that you would need to pay a little bit of attention to because it is slightly directional. So if you were just going really scrappy, that would be fine. But if you were kind of a little bit planned, you'd have to stay the course and keep it together. This is the one that I recognize. I think we got this maybe in blue as well for our latest bundle or our latest Sew Sampler in February. And Lori's always got some great ginghams. And I think I'll like this in smaller pieces. I'm not certain I like it like a whole big piece of fabric of it, but once we cut it down, I think it'll be really cute. And then some pink and mauve. Look, I match again. And then our same kind of cross stitch sampler of the alphabet and the numbers. And then another almost, I don't want to call this a basic. I feel like this is a bit of a basic because it just pulls with any great red quilt. Okay, so that's a wrap on the February Lori Holt Fat Quarter Club. These come out monthly, and it's about $43 once I get shipping and tax and everything. So it's just a way to kind of build up your stash. We get all of these together, so it's 12 fat quarters. I typically like to keep it around $3 a piece for my fat quarter, so this is just a little bit above that, but it's great because you're always getting kind of the newest and latest thing to come out, so that's really fun. If you do like watching these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton, and until then, I will see you guys next time.